Assalamu alaikum. So today our topic is homotopy of paths, and this is Algebraic Topology lecture series. Okay. So first of all, homotopy of paths. So let's read this paragraph about homotopy of paths. So before defining the fundamental group of space, any topological space X, okay, this is any topological space X, we shall consider paths on X and equivalence relation called path homotopy between them, and we shall define a certain operation on a collection of equivalence classes that makes it into what is called algebra in algebra a groupoid. Okay, so let's see the definition. So let's read the definition, then explain this definition. So if f and f prime are continuous maps of the space X into the space Y, let's say two continuous maps according to the continuous maps in topology from X to Y. Okay, X also a topological space and Y is also a topological space, and f prime are continuous maps. Okay, continuous functions also. And what is the definition of continuous functions? You can see this in topology portion and topology playlist. So let's recall the definition of continuous function. So continuous function is a function in which the inverse image of every open set, the inverse image, the pre-image of every open set is also open. Okay, let's say f is a function from X to Y topological space. Let's take v1, v2, v3, and so on, vn open sets. If we take the pre-image or inverse image, so every inverse pre-image of every open set is also open in X. Okay, for all for all v belongs to Y. Okay, so this is the definition of so this is the definition of continuous functions. Okay, so let's read this definition: homotopy. If f and f prime are continuous maps from topological space X into topological space Y, we see that f is homotopic to f prime if there is a continuous map. Okay, what type of continuous map? Sorry, what type of continuous map we have? We have a continuous map f from X Cartesian product with I close interval to Y such that sorry such that f of x comma 0 is equal to f of x for all x belongs to x, and f of x comma 1 is equal to f prime of x is for all x belongs to x, which means that if we take f is a continuous map from X Cartesian product of X and interval. I is a close interval from 0 to 1. to y such that f of x comma 0 is equal to, we get first first continuous function f of x for all x belongs to x, and here I is equal to 0, and f of x comma 1 we get f prime x for all x belongs to x at I is equal to 1, which means that there is a which means that at at I is equal to 0 we get f continuous continuous function, and we are going to 0 to 1 we get multiple continuous maps, okay, multiple continuous functions when we when we substitute f is I is equal to 1, when we will substitute I is equal to 1, so we get f prime x, okay, f prime. So f and f prime are homotopic. When we can say f and f prime are homotopic if there exists a map. What type of map? Continuous map from I box, I Cartesian, f is a continuous map from Cartesian product of x cross I to y such that this condition hold fx comma 0 is equal to f for all x belongs to x, and f of x comma 1 is equal to f prime x, and for all x belongs to x. So we can say f and f prime are homotopic and denoted by this, okay, denoted by this, okay, and f is a homotopy. The map, the continuous map from x Cartesian product I to y is a homotopy. This is homotopy map. Okay, we can say this is homotopy. So let's end this video. We will see next we will see next topics in next lectures. Please share, subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.